One day, many wonders. Tailor-Made Beijing tour with private transport. Beijing's grandeur spans dynastic splendor and modern vibrance, but unlocking its layers demands smart pacing. BusDa reimagines the classic day tour with fully customizable itineraries, pairing iconic landmarks with hidden gems. Choose your focus. History buffs might combine the Forbidden City's throne rooms with a hutong calligraphy workshop, while families opt for kite-flying at Temple of Heaven followed by a dumpling-making class. Your private vehicle becomes a mobile command center. Skip rigid schedules with a dedicated driver navigating backstreets to avoid traffic, while your guide adjusts plans in real time, perhaps extending time at the Great Wall's multi new section if crowds thin, or adding a sunset tea ceremony at a Ming-era courtyard. Why this works? Fluid timing, 7 a.m. start, mid-morning brunch break. Your rhythm rules, expert curation. Guides suggest smart pairings. Summer Palace plus 798 Art District contrasts old, new. From emperor's palaces to hipster, craft a Beijing day that mirrors your curiosity. Let BusDa guide your cultural odyssey where every alleyway whispers legends, and every sip of tea carries imperial echoes.